What if computers could think, learn, and even create? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. That means they can solve problems, recognize patterns, understand language, and even learn from experience. Instead of giving a computer step-by-step instructions, AI allows it to figure things out on its own. Think of it like teaching a computer how to think, not just what to do. You've already seen AI in action, even if you didn't notice. Ask Siri a question? That's AI. Get a video recommendation on YouTube or Netflix? That's AI. Self-driving cars, facial recognition, even customer service chatbots? Yep, all powered by AI. AI also helps in healthcare, where it analyzes medical images to assist doctors, and in education, where it powers smart tutoring apps that adapt to how you learn. It's not just in labs anymore. AI is part of everyday life. So why is AI such a big deal? Because it can do things humans can't, like process massive amounts of data in seconds or detect patterns we'd completely miss. It's helping scientists discover new medicines, helping businesses understand their customers, and helping us build smarter, more efficient systems. But it also raises important questions about privacy, jobs, and how we control these powerful tools. That's why understanding AI today is more important than ever. This is just the beginning of our journey into artificial intelligence. If you want to learn more, step by step, hit that subscribe button and join us at SoftEdge Academy. The future is being written in code. Let's learn to read it.